Кайф, да?
Hey boy, what's up? Andy.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
Come on.
What a goofball. What are you doing?
You can't though. The refill has to go.
What she's saying is where she took a off, but she's got to.
I'm out with your bitch and I only want knowledge. She got a little mileage.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god, what is that?
Devil raise you?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
All the way.
You're not, baby.
Oh no, my brain. It's broke.
Oh, see how annoying it is when somebody wakes you up while you're sleeping? Oh, I'm so...
Home from working all day, and this is what you want me to do. You want me to just rub your belly and love on you?
Back home, been a long day, time to see my fluffy dog. You can do it. You can do it. You got it.
We're open for business. Oh, first customer. Hi. Would you like a bacon strip? That'll be one tail wag, please. No? You're okay today? Okay, just no, thank you.
Let's take your bath. Come on. Let's take your bath. Come on. Come on.
Tell him. Tell him. Let me see. My big teeth are coming near.
I would like to thank you for guarding me while I poop. You took a job that nobody wanted, and you really stepped up to the plate. I salute you.
Know it, do a speak. If you're floofy and you know it, do a speak. If you're floofy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're floofy and you know it, do it.
Don't get a Doberman, they said. They're vicious, they said. Come on.
今天两个毛孩子怎么了？到现在还不吃，都放了露露的呀！你们怎么不吃呀？啊？那不吃我吃啊！哎呀，你们快来吃呀！等一下，妈妈回来要揍我的。
So Raptor, you said, Steven, it would be fun, Steven. Now it's trying to eat me, Steven. What do I do?
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see, I see.
What are you doing?
Hey, you're fine. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine.
You're not coming. You're not coming, Chai Chai.
You're not going with us. Go upstairs.
You have to wait. Don't argue with us. You can't, Chai Chai. You can't come.
No, thank you. I would like to sit here instead.
You don't want to go outside, go pee?
No, I'm outside right now and I don't want to pee.
Push it up, let me see it. Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby.
There are two types of dogs. The gentle one. Good boy. And the not so gentle. Ow!
Bronx, you're a little bit chubby. Yes, you are, because you eat too much.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming to the meeting. This meeting is going to be about all the barking that has been going on.
If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it.
Whoa.
Get a husky, they said. They're a lot of fun, they said. They're very cute and smart and intelligent, they said.
Relay seat. Relay drop. Roll. Spin. Twirl. Shake.
His reaction is.
Let's see if we can do a little simulated blind. What do you think? What do you think? Rex, point. Good. Sit. Good puppy.
빠니. 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 빠니 어딨지? 빠니 어딨지? 우리 빠니 어딨지?
Okay, good boy. Speak quiet. Speak quiet. Ooh, quieter. Quiet. Speak quiet.
Today,
So I went for a walkies yesterday and I got some cheese and I got some treats and then I went in the car. Yay!
When you buy a little plant and it's doing.
You sunk it. I'm sorry.